All right, so we're on to the next and last lab series. In fact, it's only going to be three labs for this one, not four like the usual. And then I'm just going to give you the last 2 weeks to do your final project. Um, this is going to be different than all the other things we have done. Everything we've been doing hard coding. We've been manually coding out our site by writing HTML and CSS. I don't think we had any JavaScript in here, but we've been writing the sites out that way, either manually or using the Bootstrap framework or what have you. Now what we're going to do is you're actually going to use WordPress, which is basically it's a CMS, a content management system, and it's a very top down style of working. So if you've ever made like a little site, like a free site or something on Wix or GoDaddy or Squarespace, they have their own little interface that you can kind of interact with, and they have templates you use, and then you put your pictures in, you write up your own text. But it's all done in the web browser, and it's very front end, right? It's all visual. You're not writing any code. That's actually how WordPress works. But unlike but it has a lot more strength, and you can do a lot more with it, and you can manually code in it if you would like to as well. It's much more expansive, much more robust. Most of the sites you see are either in WordPress or CMS that's similar in nature. The majority of sites, the largest shareholder is WordPress, and that's actually what we're going to make today. So yeah, this should be, I think, quite a bit better for you. For those of you that are very codey, you won't like it as much. For those of you that aren't, this will actually be considerably more enjoyable. But anyway, it's going to involve a whole process. So go ahead and click on the next arrow.